Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Simple Creations by Zia, and today I'm here with some very cute and beautiful Christmas tags. So I just wanted to share with you what I've made and what I've used. So these are very simple. I just used one of my stamp sets, and I hope you can see that as usual the sparkle coat which I gave on my poinsettia flowers. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, here are my poinsettias. Okay, if you have not seen the video, please check the description box below. I'll be putting the link to this video. So the same thing which I made using my this metallic powder and using some clear glue. This one I just make a mixture of it and then applied a coat on these flowers. So this not only brings the brighter color but also adds some sparkle to the elements you want. So here's my first stack. I just stamped the snowflake 3 times, and then I have an embossing folder, so I just did that letterpress technique with this, and that's it. These are very simple. So maybe I'll be making some videos on how I did this. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. And this is quite very short video because I'm just showing you what I've made. So the process I'll be putting afterwards, and I hope you can see all that shimmer and shine on the scarf of that cute little snowman and on the hat. So I did not put lot of shading and all on this because I know that I'm not that great colorist, but I tried my level best to give some highlights here and there, which is very easy. Some I've colored using my Georgian watercolor cakes, and for some I have used my watercolor brush pens. They say that real brush marker pens, actually basically these are watercolor based brush pens. So once you highlight the main parts, like if I want this shading, I'll be just adding a line of the darker green there, and then I'll just drag the color with my aqua brush. So that will do the trick for me of having all those highlights. So that's that. And only one, this one is from a different set. This stamp, it does not come with the set which I've used for the other ones. So here's my last tag, and again same, I did the embossing for this, and then this is a little bit different from the other ones. These are just simple one layered tags, but this one is having like dimensional, what do we say, 3D effect to it, because I have just stamped the image, colored it, and then I fussy cut it around, and then I popped it on the tag using some double-sided foam tape. So that's all what I did for these tags. I hope you like them. Actually, I have made many more. Just let me show you. So here are the remaining ones. These are like a little time taking, but I love the way they have turned out. So maybe I should show you together. Okay, fine. So for this one I was just experimenting with the same stamp, and then I went and added that shine to the this part over here and to this top part over there. So that just a little bit of difference in the coloring, it gives you a lot of difference. Like this is for the people who don't like that much of glitter and shine, and this is for all the people like me who love glitter and sparkle and shine. So this is still in the process. I don't know what I'll be adding on the top of it. So that's that one. Then with this I was experimenting with some of the transfer me sheets. That's water transfer sheets, and then I went ahead and watercolored the top and bottom in 2 different shades. So that's that one. And here basically I was doing some practicing of my watercolor skills, so just ignore that one. And then here all these which I'm showing you now, these are completely watercolor tags which I have done. This one just says ho ho ho, let's party, chill wishes, and penguin kisses. So I hope the camera is taking it well, that I've added some glitter here and there, just to highlight and make it give it the little bit of festive feel. This is my one of my favorites. I just tried to paint something like a winter snowy scene on the background, and then that cute little penguin is saying hi. And this is just showing my merry mood. That's all different colors which I've used. These two are single layered, but these are a little bit of time taking. And these look great, and these are like very super fast. These are to make like when you are in a hurry, you can just grab some paper, color it, and on the go you can make these ones. Whereas these ones, these are just like they take a lot of time. So, and that's an odd one out, but I still love it. So this is the last tag which I've made, and some are still in the process. So if you would like to see them, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye.